Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yummy shrimp. First, select high-quality shrimp, either fresh or frozen. If using frozen, thaw them under cold running water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure they are peeled and deveined. Patting the shrimp completely dry with paper towels is a crucial step. This ensures a beautiful sear and prevents them from steaming, giving you that perfect texture we all love. There are several fantastic ways to cook shrimp. Sautéing is quick. Just use 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil in a hot pan, cooking for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn pink. Grilling on skewers over medium-high heat takes only 2 to 4 minutes total. For baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. The key is not to overcook them, as they can become rubbery. To truly elevate your shrimp, consider flavor enhancements. A quick marinade for 15 to 30 minutes with citrus, garlic, and fresh herbs works wonders. For a little heat, a pinch of red pepper flakes can add a subtle kick without overpowering the delicate shrimp flavor. Always finish your cooked shrimp with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a sprinkle of chopped parsley. This brightens the dish and adds a professional touch. Once your yummy shrimp are perfectly cooked, serve them immediately. They pair wonderfully with pasta, rice, or a crisp, fresh salad. A final garnish of extra fresh herbs or a light sprinkle of Parmesan cheese can add visual appeal and extra flavor. Remember, the goal is to enjoy them while they're hot and tender. Also, for those looking to simplify their home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your kitchen spotless after cooking up a storm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.